The first sign that this is not your typical banana plantation is on the ground. At a traditional farm, the leaves are removed to make way for pesticides. At Costa Rica's Earth University, they've developed a better way.
We're reusing the wastes of the agricultural waste of the banana, like the bunch or the rejected bananas, and we are producing organic fertilizer from there. So we're not using any more synthetic fertilizers, we are using just fully organic.
The pesticides here are also organic, a special formula that sounds more like a recipe: garlic, onions, and hot pepper. Blue plastic bags help repel insects, birds, and UV rays from the sun that could damage the fruit. Then they find a second life, recycled into pallet frames, garbage cans, and fence posts, all part of a waste not system developed by the students at Earth.
We try to reuse or recycle all the wastes in the process. So even at the fields, in the packing plant, or after we've used the bananas, we are reusing everything.
Even the fiber from the banana stalks gets reprocessed. Add it to recycled paper and water, and you have banana paper, sold throughout Costa Rica. All these steps help keep banana waste from clogging streams and chemical pesticides from polluting the soil and nearby waterways. But perhaps the most dramatic transformation is in the work itself. The bunches that can weigh up to 60 pounds are brought out of the field on this unique pulley system instead of the backs of workers. It looks like a monorail cutting through the 8,100-acre campus. And the 160 workers who cut, sort, wash, and crate all work just 8-hour days. They are paid above minimum wage with medical benefits. The system that provides economic and environmental sustainability is why Whole Foods buys 90% of Earth's bananas.
We really look at something that is environmentally sound and also treats the employees with a fair wage and helps them lead a successful lifestyle.
A way of doing business that's profitable for people and the planet. Ann Thompson, NBC News, Guasimo, Costa Rica.